What up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I got a new bumper for the box. We're gonna go ahead and grab that. I actually ordered it off Amazon and it took 2 days to get here. Pretty much most of the stuff I bought for this car came off of Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description where I get this bumper, and then you can search whatever auto part you wanna find on Amazon. But I guess this video is kinda about buying auto parts on Amazon, because they get here really fast. You can see when they're gonna get here. And the best part of all, almost everything is free shipping or Prime. It's just really great. And let's go get that bumper. Oh, there it is. 2 days later, after I ordered it. White. One hand. Right off Amazon into the garage. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and start getting it unboxed and also removing this old torn up bumper off the Scion. I believe this bumper is black, so what I'm gonna do is the Scion's gonna be white. The bumper, the grill, and the hood, maybe the roof, are gonna be black. I might paint the other sides of the car in a future video, paint them some other color. I'm thinking like a dark matte or flat army green, something like that. That'll be in a way future video. But today we're focusing on the bumper that I got off Amazon. I think I bought it for under $100. It also says on the box that it says carparts.com. I'm gonna get started on this right here. So when you buy a bumper off carparts.com or Amazon, you get an exclusive offer from Harry's. Redeem your trial set at harrys.com.
No, I will not bow to any sponsor.
Anyways, don't need that. I'm gonna go ahead and start getting the old bumper off the car. So that was way easier than I thought it was gonna be. Those creases came right out. Instead of the heat gun, I used a heater, space heater. I used my space heater to get the creases out of this bumper, and that took like maybe a couple minutes. I thought it was gonna take forever, but it came right out. So now it's time, I guess, to try and fit this thing to the front of the car. Since this is my daily driver, I didn't replace this part, I just bent it back to shape. I didn't replace this part, just bent it back to shape. So you can see it's scuffed up here and here. I was driving a 2015 F-150, I still have it. I just needed a way to save gas. So I bought this $725 wrecked Scion XB off Copart. And it had a smashed bumper, which is that one over there. I was able to pour some hot water on that thing and get it shaped back a little bit to the right shape. If you look, it's all cracked and just cracks all in this wrap. I started to peel the wrap off and then I was like, why am I even wasting my time? Because literally was not going to reuse this thing. There goes the old bumper. I'll take these honeycomb grills pieces out of here because they're not damaged, and I will put them in the new one. Yeah, so that's the old bumper, new hood. The old hood is over here. It's still got part of the wrap on it. All right, so I guess you could say it's time for the final touch as far as like what I'm gonna do today. That would be the grill. Just gotta throw this grill on and, well, I just gotta zip tie it on anyways, and it's good to go until I get some paint and until I get the heat gun and take the blue off of that bottom piece right there. Got the bumper on there, got our honeycomb grills in there. I still got to get that blue off the bottom of there. I got a heat gun to take that off. I'm going to take that off here in a minute. I got to go pick up the kids from school. Face is a little dirty. Hands are a little dirty, so I probably shouldn't touch my face after doing this. But anyways, yeah. You can find body parts on Amazon. This thing fits perfectly. At first, I was kind of worried that where they folded it, it wasn't gonna, like, I thought it was gonna crease it and damage it, but after sitting it in front of the space heater, you can't even tell it was ever folded up. So don't worry about then saying that it comes folded up, because looks like it never was. So hit that subscribe button so you can see the next video on this car. I believe I'm going to paint this thing. I don't know. I'm probably gonna paint it, and it's probably gonna be a very shoddy, cheap job, because I obviously do things very cheap, like use zip ties to hold the whole thing together. But yeah, subscribe so you can see the next video, and that's gonna be it. See ya.